The course provides an intensive practical training for anybody who's looking for a career in stage or event management. The course over years has evolved to adapt to the fact that the entertainment industry are looking for trained, versatile individuals who can adapt what they're doing to any circumstance. We have a lot of internal staff that deliver a core of the teaching, but a lot of the teaching is done by visiting practitioners, professionals who are still active in the industry, all of which are bringing their expertise and their current practice into the classroom and sharing that with the students. We also have a lot of event management teaching. This is delivered by visiting companies as well, such as Production 78 and Sarah Cole Productions. These guys are graduates, but they're also very successful in their field. Graduates of the course go on to a whole range of different jobs in a whole range of different disciplines. In the event management industry, students work at Glastonbury and all the major festivals around the country. Olympic Games as part of the events infrastructure team. Commonwealth Games, opening ceremonies, closing ceremonies, you name it. Graduates are working on those productions. Graduate success stories in theatre also include members of stage management teams across the country, whether it's the National Theatre, Royal Shakespeare Company, or major tours around the country like Wicked and Les Mis. We cover lots of things like lighting, so that could be like focusing or programming lighting desks, sound, working with microphones and sound desks. We'll be looking at the role of assistant stage manager, propping, DSM roles such as calling and rehearsals and blocking. The students will then join the Richard Burton Company, which is our in-house repertory company. And all the students come together from all the different disciplines. Naturally, the cast are students, but also the stage managers, the lighting designers, the designers, the costume designers. Every role is taken up by a student. Students take great pride in publicly performed pieces to a paying audience. The diversity of the work that we do means that there's great choice to choose between. It could be in opera, it could be in musical. We have 3 main spaces, and those give us a range of environments, and each one is so different in terms of what type of work we put on. One's a proscenium, one's a black box studio space, so it's just a good range of environments. A lot of our students go to partner organisations to do their external placements. Naturally, Cardiff has a lot to offer, whether it's in the world of opera, we've got Welsh National Opera, or National Dance Company of Wales, if you're interested in dance. Of course, Cardiff isn't the only location that students want to go on placement to. West Yorkshire Playhouse, Manchester Royal Exchange, Bath Theatre Royal, or Bristol Vic. But there's always a natural progression towards London, so we have got good links with a lot of London companies as well. Companies such as Shakespeare's Globe or Royal Court, Donmar Warehouse, National Theatre, RSE. The alternative route for external placements is to find one for yourself. So if a student really wants to work in that particular part of the industry, then we can work with them to find the right partner. And that allows us to work in other areas such as TV, film, events, all of those other partner organisations that we have good connections with, or we can help them start the new ones. The benefit of external placements with a lot of these organisations is that it's not only just an opportunity to apply what you know in a working environment, but quite often it leads to a potential job and the start of a really successful career. The main thing we're looking for is character, a real commitment, an ability to communicate clearly, and passion. And if they've got a passion for the industry, then we're going to get on well.